Did you see it? Was it there? Please tell me that you saw some kind of make money online ad before this video. I'm really interested in that. Let me know in the comments down below. There are so many of them. Whenever you're gonna open a YouTube video, even remotely touching anything money related, you're gonna get bombarded with offers and courses and people in Lamborghinis and cool cars telling you about the courses, about ways to make money online, about master classes, about shortcuts to earn money and be free. And every time you're going to click any of them, you're going to be taken on a free webinar, or you're going to be offered a free ebook just to type in your email and get bombarded with even more ads about the courses or about any paid products, promising you an amazing life. But I'm pretty sure you also asked the question that you knew the answer for. Will those courses actually help you to earn money? Well, today I'm going to be answering this question as a customer and as a full-time online instructor as well. So without further ado, let's just get it started. But first things first, let me ask you this question. Do you know how actually money is made and why some people are actually earning a lot of money and others nothing at all? Do you understand the actual concept of making money? I talked about this extensively in one of my previous videos that you can find it right here. I was talking in that video about the YouTube, but it is the same for any topic. And main takeaway is that you are making money when someone is paying you for something of a value. Basically, you should have something that other people want or need, and they are willing to pay money for it. So in order for the online courses to help you to make money, they should give you something that someone else will pay you money for. Are they doing it? I can safely say that in 99% of the cases, they're not. 99% of the cases, they're not. Anything course is just promising you the heaps of money or just hints you about heaps of money because of legal reasons will teach you nothing about actually making money. Majority of the courses are actually teaching you about the mindset that you need to have in order to be rich and how it feels like when you are rich. Except they're not teaching you how to actually be rich. And this is the problem. People are believing those gurus because they are great at one thing. They are great at marketing the dream. These people are amazing at this. With the fancy houses, amazing cars, ladies or gentlemen, depending on what you prefer, they are painting this life that is only one purchase away, which is not true. Imagine if it was true. Why then there are not thousands upon thousands of people who are actually purchasing those courses and making heaps of money from it? Well, because there are literally thousands upon thousands of people who are buying those courses and they just do not work. If you want a real way to make money with any skill that you have or want to have, you need to learn how to run this skill that you have as a business and learn how to market it. This is how people are earning money in any niche, because they are running this skill that they have as a business and know how to make money from it and learn how to make money from it. Learn this and you will be able to make money from any skill that you want. And you are going to learn this by doing it, not from a courses, but from a practice. Sorry, I got a little carried away there, but the main purpose of all this is that the only way to make money is actually to learn the skill and to use it, not the mindset alteration. Your mindset will be altered in itself when you start using different skills and understand how they work in practice. Your failures and your successes will shape your mindset, not some guru in a Lamborghini in a YouTube ad. Your life will shape your mindset, not there. So, should you actually buy any of those courses? Absolutely not. Stay away from them unless they are teaching very particular skill that you are interested in and that you know that you can monetize. Not because they say that you can monetize, no, but you know that you can monetize. Mindset alteration course is not a skill. It's just a waste of money, so stay away from it. Well, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you like a bit of a new recording style that I started to implement. This will be it for today. Let me know in the comments down below if you've seen any of these guru ads on this video, unless you have your ad block on. Well, thank you for being here with me. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'm gonna see you in next one. See ya. And that's a wrap.